Ciao tutti from Chef Angelo Kitchen. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to make one, I think actually is the most popular Italian recipe about chicken. Chicken Parmigiana. You can see I prepared here all the ingredients and we will go through because this video is not to teach other chefs how to do the chicken Parmigiana. Of course, this is my recipe, the way I do. It actually is the way I would love to teach people like to cook. You can see all the ingredients here, and I will go start with the sauce area, because for do the chicken Parmigiana you need to prepare the chicken and then you need to prepare the sauce. And the sauce area, this is the ingredients. This is the first thing we do when I start my chicken Parmigiana. That means I have a fresh tomato, I have a garlic, basil, carrots, celery, salt, pepper, and olive oil. The second thing I'm going to do will be braided the chicken. For that you need eggs, couple eggs, breading, crumb bread, of course, and flour. Now, when we start this recipe, it's very important we got all the ingredients already measured. In this way, you need to just put it together and start to have fun to cook. Okay, we are ready now to prepare the sauce, the marinara sauce. We will put this on top of the chicken. And I'm going to use the food processor because it's easier. If you do not have a food processor, of course, everybody got a knife. And you can chop the ingredients and put it inside here with a knife. Okay, I will start with put the garlic and the basil, carrots, and I'm gonna cut really quick in a little pieces like this. The celery go inside too. Put a little bit of olive oil inside, and this way everything will mix good together. And mince this few seconds. Okay, the mix is ready here. Now I put a little bit olive oil on a pan and turn it on a low flame. I put my mirepoix, this is the way we call here in America, o mix di vegetali in Italiano. And we cook a little bit. You can hear already how it works. We will cook a little bit the veggies. When this is it's almost cooked, which takes a minute, then I'm gonna add the tomato. Like I say, this is the part to do the marinara. Of course, you can find a marinara recipe batch on my channel, Chef Angelo, a YouTube channel, Chef Angelo Montes Italian Food. And then you can make a batch marinara and use multiple times. Okay, here the veg is almost cooked, because this will cook really quick, put the tomato. This is tomato with no flavors, just tomato, okay? Don't buy tomato with flavors because you don't need it. Now the only thing I have to do, like I think it will take like half hour, and this sauce will be ready. I'm gonna put a touch water. Give it a time the tomato will cook. The next step, I'm gonna show you how to prepare the chicken. Now we start to braiding the chicken. All right. The first thing I do, I'm gonna break these 2 eggs, and right here. And with the fork, just to mix it really good. Right. The way I do is this. I'm gonna put the flours first, egg second, and third the breadcrumbs. Why? Because it's easy to, don't do in different way when you breaded the chicken. Now, I already pounded the chicken, and first thing I do, put it in flour, then on the eggs, and then on the bread. Make sure the bread is all over the place. And we have our first chicken Parmigiana already breading. Our braiding chicken is ready. Next step. At this point, let's go figure out what we have ready. We got the chicken already braiding. I got my burn here the way you can see me. And the sauce I cook about half hours is ready. The only thing we gotta do now is cook the chicken in olive oil. I put olive oil because in this case the chicken gets a little extra good olive oil flavor. We know the olive oil don't get very high temperature. Maybe it's not good to fry or other things, but in this case it will be fine. I turn on my pan, wait till the olive oil will be a little bit hot and very gentle. I'm gonna start to cook the chicken. When the chicken is ready, I'm gonna put over here sauce on top. And of course, before I didn't say the mozzarella, we need to put the mozzarella on top of the chicken. The oven is already on at 350, and I put in. Actually, it's better put on a broil way. And put on the bottom of the oven the chicken, the way can melt the mozzarella from the top. How long? Well, you gotta watch yourself because it's different the ovens. And again, when the mozzarella is melted, that is the time to the chicken be ready. Because again, chicken be cooked here. You don't need to cook more. Now, put this on the pan. More chicken on the pan. It's about a little more oil I need. This is about 2 portions. I mean, almost 3 portions. Will take a cook with the chicken about, again, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. We wait till the chicken will be cooked, then we go put all the thing together. At this point the chicken is ready, and now we start put it together. The perfume, it's beautiful. You can see it. The chicken is nice golden brown. Wonderful. You gotta try this one. Now, what are we going to do? Let me put this chicken on the plate I just washed and make a little space for put everything together. Okay, we're ready now to put the chicken and the sauce and the mozzarella together. During I was cooking the sauce, I put salt, pepper, of course, and I tasting to when I was thinking it was a perfect flavor. I'm gonna taste again. Just make sure you understand what I'm going to do. To me, that's wonderful. Now, put just a little bit sauce on the bottom of the pan and the chicken like this. Like I said, this is more than 2 people. Now put the sauce on top. Okay. You can make a little extra sauce, and with that cook a little pasta. You have a side of spaghetti. You can see the recipe on my YouTube channel. Okay, now I'm gonna put the mozzarella on top here. Again, I put this in the oven on the broiler side on the bottom of the oven. In this way, get the heat from the top. Soon the mozzarella is melt, the chicken is ready. The mozzarella is melt, the chicken is ready, and what I can say, please do it. Let me know. Contact me on the Facebook if you have any questions, and of course, go see the video, other recipe I have on my YouTube channel. Bye bye from Chef Angelo, and thank you for watching this video.